All right, HTML. All right, so as you might well be familiar with, HTML or hypertext markup language is a language that allows us to describe what a page might look like. Right? It allows us to add content, lay it out, specify how its organization is, and typically provide some static content. Right? Separately from HTML, we have another language, which we'll see in a minute, which is CSS, that specifies the look and feel, right? How, what colors to use, what background, what fonts, and whatnot. It used to be that that HTML also was used for look and feel and styling and making it look pretty. Eventually, it became such a complex task on its own that a whole language was developed only for styling. Right? It was also a good practice to, instead of styling it using HTML, is to separate the two tasks. One is for content and laying it out, whereas a completely different set of skills for making it look pretty and how to have the look and feel differently. Okay, so here's a very simple page, web page. Notice that there's a structure that all HTML documents have an opening and closing HTML tag that has two distinct sections: the head section and the body section. The head section is for providing some meta information, such as the title of the page that shows up either in the bar of the window or in a tab, and also things such as any other dependencies that this document might have with other documents. Right? So, for instance, you might have in your head, you might have links to CSS files or JavaScript, other dependencies that you might have. The body is where we put all the content that is consumable by humans. So in the head, you put things that are consumable by the browser. Right? The browser reads the document, looks at any other dependencies, and resolves those dependencies, whereas the body is for human consumption. Right? And then you have lots and lots of these elements or these tags that style the page or give it its meaning of what it's meant, what is the type of content that we're adding.